Winter driving can already be a challenge, and to make it more difficult, how about if you can't see the curb when you're trying to park your car? And a curb that's not highly visible can cause a lot of damage to the front end of your car. Welcome back to your home garage, and in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use your mirrors to park perfectly when you have a forward-facing curb. So buried or slightly visible curbs can cause you a lot of grief. First of all, hitting them can cause a lot of damage to your front clip, bumper, and more severely tires, rims, and suspension. But this is where the bottom of your mirror can save you a lot in damage costs. The simple trick is to line up the bottom of your mirror at the point when the curb becomes visible. Once the curb is visible, stop your car and you'll be at a perfect and safe distance from that front curb. So let's demonstrate as I approach a snow-covered curb that is slightly visible. As you can imagine, a lot of drivers would hit a curb hard and in some cases drive over the curb. Once you see the curb below the frame of the mirror, simply stop for perfect parking. And here's what it looks like when you get out of the vehicle. Now I realize that some cars would actually have safety features and sensors that would help you park the vehicle, but at the date of this shooting, most vehicles don't have those creature comforts, so again, this is a great tool. We know the curb is there because some of it is still visible, and look at where my front clip is in comparison. And this works with my truck, SUV, sports car, and mid-size vehicles. It's just a great way to help judge your distance to the curb. There you have it. No more damage to your lower bumper or wheels and suspension by using the lower part of the mirror to park perfectly every time. So make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend. Also, please comment below as I reply to all. Plus, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time on your home garage.